This massive recycling truck is carrying tons of compressed PET plastic bottles to the new state-of-the-art facility.
Everything is in order here. Proceed to the unloading area. All right, back it up slowly now. Watch the conveyor on your left.
Watch out for the glass on the left.
Got it, thanks.
Check the yield on screen 3.
99.8% efficiency. The calibration was successful.
Purity levels are holding steady at 99%. We are clear for batch processing.
Reactor 3 is stable at 90.
Copy that. We are clear for the next batch. The temperature in zone 3 is stabilizing now. Good, the viscosity looks perfect.
The pressure looks stable at 25 bar.
Good, the screens are holding up well. We're maintaining high purity.
Check the airflow on line 3. The pressure is dropping.
I'm on it. Adjusting the vents now.
The crimp percentage is stable at 25 dpf.
Good, the sensors are holding the tolerance perfectly.
The synchronized spindles transform the recycled polyester into high-strength carpet yarn.
Check the layering on this one, make sure it's perfect.
Looks flawless, ready for the conveyor.
The flow rate is stabilizing right at the target pressure.
Good, we need to maintain that consistency for the magenta batch. The tension on guide 7 is fluctuating slightly above tolerance. Noted. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The sensor readings on zone 3 are stable.
Good, the alignment looks perfect downstream.
Inside the curing oven, carefully controlled heat permanently cures the latex adhesive, ensuring a durable bond between the carpet pile and backing materials. The uniformity index is holding steady at 99.8%.
Good. Let's maintain the current blade speed and monitor the tension.
Check this section here, looks like a slight variation in the pile height.
Yeah, the laser scan missed that. Let's flag it for review before it hits the automated packaging system.
The automated reject system caught the oversized roll.
Good. The calibration is holding steady.
The synchronization is perfect. Look at the efficiency metrics here on the display. We are exceeding the target throughput.
This facility processes over 1,000 pallets an hour, a testament to the synergy between our team and the robotic systems.
As you can see on the screen here, the bottles are broken down and respun into this incredibly durable yarn.
Look at the decay times. The polyester is performing better than expected across the mid-range frequencies.
Yes, the absorption coefficient is excellent. It demonstrates optimal sound reduction.
The thermal imagery clearly demonstrates the carpet's superior insulation. We're seeing a significant improvement in heat retention here.
We process the bottles into these clean PET flakes and then extrude them into high-quality polyester fibers. Luxurious, durable, and sustainable. Our carpets, crafted from 100% recycled PET plastic, are transforming spaces around the world.